front tomorrow on the test. I think y'all be fine. All right, let's look at number one. I know we had some kids out yesterday. Number one, guys, is it an odd function, even or neither?
Neither.
Why is it a neither?
Because the understood one is even.
All right, so Brian Thornton, if all the exponents are odd, it's an odd function. If all the exponents are even, it's an even function. And if they're mixed up like number one, it's neither. So what's the answer on number two?
Even.
Why is it an even? All the exponents are even numbers. How about three? Odd. All right, so those are all easy. All right, 4 through 9. We are not going to graph those on your graph paper. We're just going to write the changes. What I do want y'all to know is what kind of shape is 4, 5, and 6 going to be on the left side. All right, if it's absolute value, y'all are supposed to know that makes a V. All right, how about 7, 8, 9?
Parabola.
A parabola, as Ella says. Not a parabola, a parabola. All right, y'all got to know those for the test tomorrow. All right, so just to make sure we know what we're doing, let's go on number 4. Start from the back. What's the change?
Down 3, left 1.
Good, Mason. Down 3, left 1. What's the fraction do?
Compress.
Compress, which makes it fat. Write it down. Down 3, left 1, compress. All right, let's get number 5. Start from the back.
Up 1, right 2, flip and stretch.
Up 1, right 2, flip and stretch. Now, I'm going to give y'all about 3 minutes to do 6 through 9. We'll quickly go over those. Surprisingly, a lot of you guys missed them on the quiz. All right, if you guys missed one of these problems on 6 through 9, if you don't understand why you missed it, let me know. All right, Banner, let's start on number 6. Start from the back. Where we going?
Down 2.
All right.
Left 3.
Yep.
Flip.
Down 2, left 3, and flip. Everybody good? All right, Gary, you got number 7. Start from the back. Where do we move?
Up 2, right 3, flip, and then make it skinny.
All right, does everybody understand why that one's skinny? If it's a fraction, you compress it. An integer, a number, you make it stretch, which is skinny. All right, now, everybody always misses number 8. A lot of y'all missed 8 on the quiz. What is 8 missing? Parentheses. Nope, it doesn't have parentheses. So you get to skip the part about going right or left. So start from the back. Where do we go? Down 3, compress. Good. All right, we got one more. Start from the back. Up 4, left 2, and a flip. Good. All right, I don't think y'all going to miss those on the quiz. I think y'all be fine. I am worried about y'all a little bit on number 10, so let's go to number 10. All right, Brian, we've only been doing these since Friday. So some of you guys still might have some questions. So I'm going to walk you through these really quick. All right, Brian, I'm going to give you the 3 steps. The first step says replace f of x with y. So if it's written like this, just cross that out and put a y equals. That's all it means. This one was already done for us. Switch your x and y around. I just trade places with them. So instead of x to the third minus 3, it's y to the third minus 3 equals x. Write it down. I'm asking that y'all show me one step on these. I know some of y'all can do these in your head. Show me that step and then your answer and you're good. All right, now to solve for y is the third step. Jude, what do I got to move over first?
Your y.
Well, let's keep the y.
Oh, no,
Let's,
3.
Yeah, move the 3 over. So it's x plus 3. If I had a minus 3 and I move it over, I change it to a plus. Now, last step, Brian, we got to know what the opposite of a third power is. And the opposite of that is going to be a cubed root. So my answer will be the cubed root of x plus 3. Now, what's with the y negative 1? That's your symbol for inverse. So when you get your answer and you're done, put that symbol in front of your problem. If y'all forget, I'll probably mark off just like minus 2. All right, number 11 should be an easy one. Y'all do it. Follow your 3 steps. Find the inverse quickly. Yep. All right, Mason said x minus 3 and x plus 3. All right, Mason, which ones can I cross out?
X minus 3.
Good. Mason, what do I do with the only one that's left over?
Bracket.
Good. So, I go to 3. Now, on the quiz, a lot of y'all went over here to 3 and put your point. You got to go on the y-intercept, put 3. So up 1 over 1 is my graph. All right, there's my line. All right, Mason, let's see if you can find where the hole goes.
Positive 3.
Mason says the whole goes at positive 3. I think he's right because we crossed out x minus 3, set it equal to 0, and move it over. So yes, 1, 2, 3, the whole goes up there. All right, y'all got some of those tomorrow on the test. All right, so we're going to do 14 and 15, and then we'll go to break. It's just a straight line.
So if there isn't an x squared.
That's right. Then we got to do the VA and the HA. That's the difference. Yeah. All right, we're on 14. All right, that's going to be a parabola. Just got an x squared. So that's probably okay. Not going to play with the numbers over here. So I got you. When you plug in negative 1 and you square it, it's going to make a positive 1 plus 3, so it's going to be 4. The reason it didn't do it on the calculator, you've got to put this. All right, here we go. Let's do 14 and 15. Now, 14, guys, is a fraction just like 13 was. Why is it a different problem? How do I know this one's not aligned with a whole limit? Because it don't have an x squared on top, it don't factor. So, Mason, when that happens, you got to set the bottom equal to 0. 2x plus 2 equals 0, and y'all got to solve for x. Do it. Well, let's give Mason a chance to do it.
I think I'm good except doing the inverse. It's just, I don't understand it.
So I move plus 2 over. That makes it a minus 2. What's the last thing I got to do?
Divide.
So I got negative 1. So I got a dotted line at negative 1.
And then you got one at 0 because there ain't no x point.
Oh.
No, you go at 2. You go at 2.
That's right.
My bad. That's what I was saying.
All right, Mason, you good on that part?
The VA is.
All right, now for the HA, it's a little bit different. Do I need to slow down, guys?
Just a little bit.
Yes.
All right, any question how I found the VA? Good on that? That's right. Now, Brian, the HA is harder. What are we looking for in the HA? You got to check your exponents. What about your exponents?
They're the same, so you can divide it.
No,
These are the same, so I can divide it. So it's y equals 2. All right. What do I do if they're not the same?
Then it'd be 0.
Then it's just 0. That's the only difference. It's going to be one way or the other. So I go y equals 2. Now, you guys plug in your 5 numbers. Sorry, your 4 numbers. And make your curves. You should know that it's going to make your curve. 0, 0. Over 1 up 1. There's one curve. Negative 2 up 4. Negative 3 up 3. All right, that's what I got on 14. Now, 15 is going to be the same kind of problem. I don't think I need to show 15. I think if you guys can do 14, you can do 15.
Yeah, we can.
All right, y'all do 15. I'll give you a second and we'll go to break.
And how many questions are on the test?
It's going to look just like the sheet, Linda.